Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you a brand new way to shop on AliExpress using cash on delivery. Yes, pay only when your order arrives. If this option is available in your country, it's super easy and safe. Let's get started. First, open your favorite browser and head over to AliExpress. Once you're there, you'll see thousands of products, electronics, fashion, home goods, and pretty much anything you can imagine. Take your time to browse or use the search bar to find exactly what you need. When you spot something you like, click on the product to check all the details. Look at the specifications, customer ratings, and reviews. A quick peek at the seller's rating and number of orders can save you from potential headaches later. Once you are happy with your choice, add it to your cart. Double check the size, color, and quantity to make sure everything is perfect. When you're ready, head to checkout. Here's the key part. Choose cash on delivery as your payment method if it's available in your country. This way, you pay only when the package arrives at your doorstep. No online payments required. Complete the rest of the order details and confirm your purchase. And that's it. Now, all you have to do is sit back and wait for your order to arrive safely. Shopping on AliExpress with cash on delivery is that simple, secure, and convenient. I hope this quick guide makes your online shopping easier and safer. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tips. Happy shopping and see you in the next video.